Hey, what's up guitar players? Welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's go ahead and review this thing before I break it down. I'm not going to dive into the theory on this one or explain why the notes sound good together. All you need to know is that this is an excellent warm-up for your fretting hand. And before I give you the exact notes inside of this exercise, I just want to throw out the reminder that you're always encouraged to go slow, take it one note at a time. We really want you to nail these exercises because that's ultimately going to have the best impact on your playing overall. All right, so for the exact notes, we've got 3 on the high E, 5 on the B, 7 on the G, and then we go 3, 5, 6, then we go 3, 5, 5, and then we go 4 from the G string to 3 on the B, 3 on the high E. Again, go slow enough to ensure that you're really nailing every single note inside of this exercise. Have fun warming up your little fingers, then go move on to the rest of your session. Have fun attacking those songs and solos, and we'll see you next time.